I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your MIUI and YouTube are updated. Outdated builds block floating windows. Next, open Settings, go to Apps, then Special Access, and enable Picture-in-Picture for YouTube. Once done, launch YouTube and play a video. You may see an overlay permission prompt. Grant it. You need both the System Pi-P toggle and app permission. Without both, the floating window won't appear. This sets the required Android-level capability before we trigger the actual floating window. You now trigger the floating window. While a video plays, press Home or use the Home gesture. The player should shrink into Pi-P. If that fails, open the three-dot menu and select Picture-in-Picture. Some YouTube builds reserve this for premium. Once done, make sure to try Chrome. Open YouTube. In Chrome, enable desktop site, start playback, then press Home to force Pi-P. These alternate paths cover cases where the native app won't enter Pi-P directly. You finish by positioning and resizing the floating window. Drag it to a screen corner and pinch if resizing is supported. If Pi-P doesn't show, revoke overlay and Pi-P permissions, then re-grant them. This often fixes permission glitches. Make sure to clear app cache or update MIUI if problems persist, and reboot the phone as a final step. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, check whether a system update or third-party security app is blocking overlay. Disabling that temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.